Get your lunch with Big Leaf Sandwich Decruster and Sealer. No need to spend on Uncrustables. You can now affordably do it yourself for a fraction of the cost for all your picky eaters. It's easy to prepare. Fill the middle of the sandwich using our fill guide, making sure not to overfill. Assemble the sandwich decruster by placing the blue sealer inside the white cutter. Close the sandwich and apply firm pressure to the white frame to cut. Now push down the sealer and press firmly to seal the edges. Pack it up for lunch or make a bunch to freeze for the week. Kids will delight in making the sandwiches on their own, and the hassle-free mealtime makes it a mom's favorite as well. This high-quality sandwich sealer works on any kind of bread and washes easily. Great for mess-free grab-and-go snacking, school lunches, picnics, and more. Say goodbye to picky eaters with the Big Leaf Sandwich Sealer.
In this video, you'll learn how to use your new Saladzilla and start drying your salad in a fresh new way. To use your Saladzilla, first it's important to recognize its various features: the handle, pouch, and metal ring. Begin by washing your vegetables as you normally would. After you're done, grab your empty Saladzilla and roll down the handle to the metal ring. Now you can place in your washed wet vegetables. Hold your Saladzilla over the sink, secure it closed by holding the handle, and gently turn it sideways to drain the excess water from your vegetables. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab the handle and start spinning. Keep pouring out the water, spinning and pouring out more water until the water is fully drained and your vegetables are dried. When the process is finished, open the Saladzilla and push the vegetables out from the bottom. And voila! Enjoy clean, dried, delicious vegetables in less than 5 minutes with the help of Saladzilla.